So today we will learn about how to calculate CV, average, standard deviation, coefficient of variation, standard error from the simple data in Excel. So have a data. These are like let's first understand what the data tells. So this is the entry numbers. This is from an agricultural experiment where plants are grown. These are the different plants, DH71, and these are the replications. So each DH17 plant 1 has a 3 replication, R1, R2, R3. Plant 2 has a 3 replication, R1, R2, R3. These are the parents. Till DH, all the DH, all the DH lines are the parents. And this is the F1s. The parents has crossed another one. This is the F1. This is control. F1 plant number 15, plant number 15, plant number 15. This is the replication R1, R2, R3. Plant number 16, R1, R2, R3. And we have a mutants which start from 1013. And this is also replicated thrice R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3 till 1065. So we have a three kind of plants. One is the parent, which are written here in the description, parents, and one is the control. This is the F1 control. Then is the F1 mutant. That's indicated in the numbers. This is the spike weight. So this is actually from the wheat plants. So wheat plants has a spike. You have taken the dry spike weight. This is in the grams. 1.8 grams, 1.5 grams, 1.8. So three. So first three is the replication. So each plant has three replications. Each plant has three replications. So if you want to calculate the average, you need to average these three replications separately. And this is the seed weight, the total seed weight, and this is the spike harvest index, that is seed weight divided by spike weight into 100. The spike harvest index, it comes to 82.46. So that's how it's calculated to everything. And the missing values are represented as NA, not answered. Missing values are represented as Na. So let's first calculate the average for each plant. So we can put it here, average. So each plant has a three replications. So we need to calculate average for three replications. So 1, 2, 3, R1, R2, R3. For the DH171, the average comes after. So the formula for average is average, and just select these three plants. It comes like this, and just drag it. So all the plants are three replications. So the formula is same for all the plants. So just drag it, select from here, and just drag it. It will copy the formula for all the plants. See, this is the average. It's the average. This is the average. There is some mistake here. 63. Yeah. So 165 is only, so I need to include another 1065. This is only R2. So I need to have R and yeah. So we got average for all these three. Suppose you want a table which is having only average values. You don't need a whole thing. You just need a table for which you need only average values. To do that, just copy everything and paste it in another control special paste and select this, control F. Now select this, find, go to. So we just needed to delete the blank ones. Go to, go to special, blanks one. Okay. So delete them. No, this is one thing. Just go put it in the sort them in the largest to highest. So it all came in one now. You want a separate table only for the average values. Just select the average column and go here, sort from smallest to largest. Sort it. So you will get all the values in one place and all the blanks in another place. You just select all those stuffs and delete them. Select till here to here, control shift down, delete. So this is the table. You got all the average values. Suppose you want to put each in one space, one place, this mutants in one place. Go here, filter, sorting. See, the controls are in one place, mutants are in one place, parents are in one place. If you want to have parents in the first place, just go here. Sort. Then you have parents in the first place, mutants in the first place, the controls in the plus place, and this is the average values. This is the entry numbers. Got it? You can delete this one. This is not required. This is the average values of dates 27, plan number 24, 25, 23. If you want to sort it from smallest to largest, you can also do like this. See, this is the mutant, and again here, and this is F1. Got it? Yeah. So just delete this. And if you want to calculate standard deviation for each, uh, you just go here. The formula for standard deviation is square root of individual observation minus mean whole square divided by n minus 1. So we do have a standard deviation formula in Microsoft Excel. You can do it manually or you can use it the formula. So I can use it the formula is equal to deviation. There is a population formula. This is a sample formula. So we do have a sample. So we just use it as a sample. Most of the standard deviations we use as a samples. Standard deviation is. Let's use this. Select all these three. That's it. This is the standard deviation. You select this one and grab it. This has become all the standard deviation. Yeah. And suppose you want to calculate CV, coefficient of variation. The formula for coefficient of variation is standard deviation by mean into 100. So this is the standard deviation by mean into 100. Suppose you want to calculate CV directly without calculating standard deviation, you can do this one. I can put standard deviation by average, mean into 100. You'll get the same value. So just drag it down. Accordingly, if you want to get the standard error for the say everything, the formula for standard error is standard deviation by root n. So standard error is standard deviation by standard deviation. This is the standard deviation by square root of. So each is in three replications. So three replications square root of n. You get the formula. Just hold this, drag it for everything. And if you want to have these values separately, just copy the same thing, paste it in, paste it, and generally sort them as smallest values or something like that. So delete everything from here, and you got so you got a separate column telling telling average value, standard deviation, coefficient of variation, and standard error. And you can also calculate variance. If you want to calculate variance, you can calculate variance also. So there is a variance for population and variance for sample. Just calculate this. You'll get, drag it. And the one which is with the less CV, less standard error, is the one which is of high precision. If any genotype is said to be performed well in all three replications, then all three replications should give the same data. So we need to sort them, the one with less CV and less standard error. So initially we will sort them with less CV. Sort from smallest to largest. So enter number 225, the plant 1058. 1058 as a less CV. This is the precision one. Let's go and search in 1058. 1058. This is 1058. See, the harvest index is 75, 75, 75. So everything is same. That's why it's highly precise. If you see others, 81, 79, 75. No, it's not precise. This is exactly precise. That's why the CV is very less. And we select the plants with less CV, which are stable, which is giving the same data in all three applications. Those are quite believable genotypes.